Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add fonts in Canva. So let's get started. Before we begin, keep in mind that uploading custom fonts is only available in Canva Pro, Teams or Education accounts, and your admin can only do that. If you're using the free version, you won't see this option. So you're going to go to Canva homepage. On the left sidebar, click on Brand Kit. So this is where you can manage your colors, logos, and fonts. Scroll down to the font section, and if you are an admin, you're going to click on Upload a Font. Now you can see that it says for me, ask your admin to define your default fonts for a clear and consistent look. Because I'm not the admin of my account, I am a team member, but if you are an admin, you'll be able to see an upload option over here. So you're going to select your font from your computer, and Canva supports OTF, TTF, WOFF. After uploading, confirm that you have the rights to use the font. Once the fonts are uploaded, you're going to open any design in Canva, click on text and add a heading. Now go to the font drop down and scroll. You'll see your uploaded font there. Click it and it will be applied instantly. If your font doesn't show, you can refresh Canva, make sure upload was successful, and try re-uploading the font file. Also ensure the font file is not corrupted. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.